All right, guys. So, Mike just did a great video on how to look up penny stocks and what to look for. So, I just want to follow up, man. So, I'm new to this. My name is Quentin B. Smith, one of the Millennials to Millionaires, active trader. I'm more of a Bitcoin guy, cryptocurrency. So we're talking about penny stocks today, and so I have no knowledge about this. Okay, so I had a couple questions which I asked during the webinar. And one of them was like, what websites is he talking about where he says like they have, you subscribe, you start for free and then they charge you monthly, but they give you the inside stocks. So I just Googled penny stocks real quick. Let me start at the screencast. I just Googled penny stocks and it's pretty neat. Let me see if I can get like a A-B thing going. Nah, hold on. We got some cool technology going on over here. So we want this one to be, no, want this one to be A, this one to be B. Boom! Got it. Okay. So I just Googled penny stocks, man. Just penny stocks. And I clicked on this one and this one. I'll pull it up again. Listen, look, 17 out of 19 of the last stocks wrote, like, come on, man. So as soon as you go to this site, it's tougher than ever to locate explosive penny stocks alerts. So these websites, they just tell you what you should be buying. Just like he said. Our next trade alert is in 19 hours, 35 minutes. Okay. When they say they're seen on these websites, I mean, they just probably ran ads on it. I'm not even going to lie. But then they have like 432% gains. Like, come on, dude. Like, we know the play. So this is actually really important, I'm saying, because this just saved you and I a bunch of time. I would have gone on here and been like, okay, I'll give it a shot. I'll put in my credit card, blah, blah, blah. You might not have lost money. You might have figured it out like this probably isn't going to work. But you can't get your time back. We all at M2M believe that time is super important. That's something you can never get back. So we literally just saved a month or two by in this one video. So the wolf of penny stocks. And like he said, like, we're not trying to bash any sites. We just want to be able to see through this stuff. These sites, like you said, some guys are going to make money. If you get in on the front end, when you sell when it's high, you'll make money. You will make money. But you got to know when to sell. The whole thing is about knowing when to sell. So we've got some other videos on knowing when to sell. If you don't follow us already on YouTube, we're at M2 Millionaires. Instagram M2 Millionaires, Facebook M2 Millionaires. We're M2 Millionaires everywhere. We do lots of updates on this stuff. If you want a couple more videos, make sure you follow us everywhere. Subscribe, turn on post notifications so that when we go live, because like we go live on YouTube and all these websites, when we go live, you're gonna want those updates. So go and check us out. But these are a couple sites that I'm seeing already. And then Mike, you can hop in here too.
Yeah.
So like
going on?
We clicked on these two, the daily penny picks. Yeah, we see what you're saying.
Just verifying some of that information I was talking about.
Yeah, and I was just saying like you can make money, but you gotta get on the front end and sell at the highest point, like always.
Yeah,
like always. So sounds good, man.
Definitely one thing, like I said, is if you guys are still going to look into penny stocks, that's no problem. I'm just telling you that I'm just trying to position you guys to know about it. It's better to be informed, to make an informed decision. Like, I'm not going to lie, I did penny stocks for about 2 years, so I'm not one to say that don't do penny stocks. But I'm glad that I'm more informed about it because pump and dumps and things like that are real. All right, there's people still doing it. There are people still telling you that there's a lot of stuff going on, 900%, 800%, and it sounds really good, especially for somebody that just starts out. So follow us. Make sure you subscribe to our page. Make sure that you check out the next video below. And, let's make some real money. All right.
That's it. Peace.